Home renovation trends for 2025 reflect a growing desire for sustainability, personalization, and technological integration in living spaces. As eco-consciousness continues to rise, homeowners are increasingly seeking energy-efficient upgrades, from solar panels to smart thermostats. Sustainable materials, such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, and recycled steel, are becoming essential in both structural and decorative aspects of home design. Natural light is another significant trend, with large, floor-to-ceiling windows and skylights transforming homes into bright, airy environments. Open floor plans remain popular, but there's a shift towards creating flexible spaces with partitions, movable walls, and multifunctional furniture to accommodate hybrid work and leisure. Biophilic design is set to dominate, with indoor greenery, living walls, and nature-inspired elements adding tranquility to homes. Earthy tones like sage green, terracotta, and deep browns are favored for walls and furnishings, bringing warmth and calm. Meanwhile, bold accent colors like cobalt blue and mustard yellow will make striking statements in minimalist designs. Smart homes are moving beyond convenience and into the realm of security and energy optimization. From smart lighting systems to energy monitoring devices, homeowners will invest in technologies that reduce consumption and enhance safety. Kitchens will feature touchless faucets, smart refrigerators, and even robotic assistants for cooking. Natural stone, especially marble and granite, will be increasingly used in bathrooms and kitchens, adding luxury and durability. Bathrooms, in particular, are becoming more spa-like, with walk-in showers, freestanding bathtubs, and underfloor heating. Home offices will become more elaborate, incorporating ergonomic furniture, soundproofing, and aesthetic elements that promote productivity. Outdoor living spaces are getting a makeover as well, with outdoor kitchens, fire pits, and weatherproof furniture turning backyards into year-round entertainment zones. For storage, customized cabinetry and built-in shelving will maximize space in a stylish manner. Lastly, vintage and antique decor is making a comeback, as homeowners look to mix modern designs with timeless pieces. Personalization remains key, with homeowners integrating family heirlooms, custom artwork, and DIY projects into their spaces. These trends reflect a balance between functionality, comfort, and style, making 2025 an exciting year for home renovations.